Do you really need to use 2 towels?
I mean, no. I guess I
If
don't.
you need to use 2 towels, you just need to say so because it affects my whole day. I need to do laundry before work and I have to know if there are any more towels I need to wash.
I just need one.
Can I get to the mirror? I need to get ready.
So, when's like a normal time to have sex?
Are you having sex?
No. No.
I thought Danny was interested in men.
Yes, okay, and I was heartbroken.
Well, you did meet him in a musical.
You're such a bigot. You know, like you would have owned slaves.
Who are you wanting to have sex with?
No one. I'm just, I don't know, asking in general.
I think college is good. Youth protection like we talked about.
Okay. Is Dad depressed?
Why do you ask that?
The pill bottle in the medicine cabinet. They have his name on them.
Dad has struggled with depression for years.
I didn't know that.
Money isn't life's report card.
So he's depressed about money?
Being successful doesn't mean anything in and of itself. It just means you're successful.
Yeah, but then you're successful.
But it doesn't mean you're happy.
But he's not happy.